That's why we said
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Kindly step all the way in and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Drag your bodies all the way in. Kindly fill up all the available dead space. You're breathing, there's still room. And if you're not breathing, perfect. So that you may view the portraits above you better, kindly drag your bodies away from the walls and lay them to rest in the very dead center.
Amber's pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rats on a tail, it's time to respond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. Expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quotas, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Make final arrangements now. We've been dying to have you.